Alright, super quick video. Yes, Moana is on the television, and we don't live off-grid. Our brethren do. We don't. I told you guys I'm going to bore you to death with food storage, and I intend to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 buckets of food put up. A mountain of Walmart.com boxes. So 12 times 30, 360 pounds of food. There's 18 pounds of vegetable shortening down there. And then there are 12 5-pound bags of elbow noodles here. 5 pound. There's 12 of them, 60 pounds there. So 420 pounds of food plus 18, 438 pounds of food, 260 bucks at Walmart.com. You don't understand, T. I don't have the time or the money to prep food. I know. Decisions. Decisions.
Just do it.
Just do it. I told you guys I'm going to bore you to death with food storage. Here's 12 more buckets for us to add to the fleet. And FYI, I do rice in white buckets, and I do beans and everything else in blue buckets, so I can see at a glance what do I have. So there it is. More boring food storage, or stewed forage as we now refer to it at this channel. So shalom.